Meaning of gate money.
Gate money.
Gate money.
Gate money.
Gate money. Gate money refers to the money paid to a sports player or performer as compensation for participating in a specific event or match. This payment is often made at the entrance gate and before the start of the event. In some cases, gate money also includes a share of the ticket sales or other revenues generated by the event. The term is commonly associated with lower-level or amateur sports events. Overall, gate money can help provide an incentive for athletes and performers to compete or participate, and can help support local and community-based sports organizations.